In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to change the app language for the WhatsApp application. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android device, but if you have an Apple iPhone, not a problem. The procedure is common. So you could also watch my video completely till the end. So get hold of your smartphone, and once you do that, open the WhatsApp application. Once you open the app, go to the menu to the top right and then click on settings. Once you do that, you get directed to the settings page. Here, you scroll down a bit and then click on app language. Now, according to your location, WhatsApp is going to give you the option for different languages in and around your region. So since I'm based out of India, WhatsApp is not just giving me an option to keep the language on the application in English, but it also gives me an option to change the app language to the languages that we speak in India. So we have Hindi, we have Marathi, we have Gujarati, we have Urdu, Uriya, and stuffs like that. So whatever you are comfortable with, you could go ahead and select the language and change the entire app language for yourself. And if you want to get back to the default language, maybe it's English for you in your region, you go ahead to the menu, click on settings, then you scroll down a bit, click on languages or app languages, and then you go ahead and select English, and it is changed back to the default language. I hope this helps, and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.